In this short video, I show you how you can install packages in RStudio. So you have two methods. First, you can install packages through this package window here, or you can do it through your command line. In the package window, you see all the predefined packages which you already have installed, which are like here marked with a tick. But if you want to install a new one, for example ggplot2, which is for visualization, you can just hit install here, and then it's going to install ggplot2. So I already did that, but here you see that it's installed now, and you also see it here in this line. And to then use it for R, you still need to make this tick. So this means you just do it like library ggplot2, and now you are able to use it. The other way to install the ggplot package, you just would install packages ggplot2, you run this command, and here you see I already did that, so I won't load it again. And also just hit library ggplot2. The next time when you open this R script, you don't need to install the ggplot2 package or any package again, so you can just command this out, and now it's just a comment, and then every time you just need to run this library ggplot2 command. Great! If you like this video, just hit thumbs up and see you next time. Thanks a lot.